Hi, welcome to eBuilder. My name is Melanie Morales, and I am the Instructional Design Specialist for Planning and Construction at the University of Maryland. In this video, I will show you how to add a new user to eBuilder. You may receive requests to add new users to eBuilder in 4 ways. 1. Via emails to ebhelp@umd.edu. 2. Through the Help Desk Active Requests report. 3. The home page, items in your court. And 4. eBuilder notifications sent to your UMD email. There are 3 methods to add new users. The first way is to copy a twin user, the second to find an existing account, and the third is to create a new user from scratch. If you receive the request via email, as a default member of the eBuilder Help Desk project in eBuilder, you will receive the request via email sent to ebhelp@umd.edu. You need to make sure the following information has been provided to you before proceeding to the Add New Users in eBuilder procedure. 1. New user's name including first and last name. 2. New user's email address. 3. New user's company name. 4. New user's role and permission in eBuilder. And 5. The projects which the new user should be added to. Here is the request example via email. If you receive the request via process. If the Add a New User request is submitted via process, as a member of the eBuilder Help Desk, you will receive the following eBuilder email notification via email. This process is called New User Account Request with NUR acronym. You can simply click on the Click Here link on the email and see the request. You can also find and check on all the outstanding requests in the Help Desk court by going to the Report module and check out the Help Desk Active Requests report. To do so, click on the Report tab on the global menu and type in Help to see all the Help Desk reports. Then click on the Help Desk Active Requests link. Last but not least, you can find all the items in your court by visiting the home page. Click on the Home icon on the global menu. Here is the list of items in your court. Whichever method you use to receive the Add New User request, you need to make sure the following information is available to you before going to the next step. 1. New user's name including first and last name. 2. New user's email address. 3. New user's company name. 4. New user's role and permission in eBuilder. And 5. The projects which the new user should be added to. Here is the data field mapping for the above required information. How to find a twin user. The easiest way to add a new user is to copy an existing user with the same role and project membership, also known as the twin user. Otherwise, you will need to manually assign roles and projects to the new user accounts. To find a twin user, start at the eBuilder dashboard and search for the appropriate project. Go to Details drop-down menu and select Project Participants. Find participants with the same role as the one to be created. Find other users in the same company. Click on the users to make sure if they are assigned to other projects as well. Once found, note the twin user's first and last name. How to add a user by copying a twin user. To copy the twin user, select the Setup tab. Click Users drop-down option on Local menu, then select Manage Users. In filter box, enter first and or last name of twin user of choice and select Filter to search. Select twin user by clicking in the box next to their name, then select Copy to copy user. Fill out the first and last names. Use the first portion of the new user's email address up to the @ as the username. Copy and paste the new user's email address. And make sure you check off the Notify User that he or she has been added box before you click Save. How to add a new user from scratch. If creating a twin user is not an option and you have to add a new user from scratch, ask the new user if they have another account on eBuilder with another organization or company. If they do, here's how you can find their account. Starting on the global menu, click on the Setup tab, then find the Users drop-down option and click Manage Users. Click Add Existing tab. Search for the user by first and last name in the filter box. Make sure the right account is selected and click Add User. The right account should match the email address and company name. When the user is added, you need to set up their account permissions. Search for the user by first and last name and click on the added user. Then click on Manage Membership. To set the new user project membership, click on the Projects tab. Select the projects, then click on the angle bracket to add the selected projects to the second list and click Save. To assign role and permission to the newly added user, click on the Account Roles tab. Select the appropriate roles, then click on the angle bracket to add the selected role to the second list, and click Save. Add new user from scratch. If the user is new to eBuilder and not in the system, click Add instead to add the new user. Fill in required fields such as first and last name and email address. It is worth noting that the username is often the same as the first part of their email address. Check box to notify user that he or she has been added, then click Save. An error after this step may occur due to a duplicated username. In this case, put numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. at the end of the username and try again. For example, if jsmith@abc.com is already in use, use jsmith1@abc.com to continue. In the next step, you will need to assign the project membership and role or permission to the new user. Please note, if new user was created as a copy, the copied account has access to different projects, meaning the new account's access should be modified. Please check out our video about adding a member to a project for more information. Set up role or permission for the newly added user. In order to set up role and permissions for the new user, starting on the global menu, click on the Setup tab. Then find the Users drop-down option and click Manage Users. In the filter box, search for the newly added user by first and last name, then click Filter. Click on the correct user. Then click on Manage Membership. To set the new user project membership, click on the Projects tab select the projects, then click on the angle bracket to add the selected projects to the second list, then click Save. To assign role and permission to the newly added user, click on the Account Roles tab, select the appropriate roles, then click on the angle bracket to add the selected role to the second list, and click Save. Sending out a confirmation email. Once the new user has been created, send a confirmation email to the new user and CC the following recipients: 1. The requester, 2. The PNC project manager, and 3. ebhelp@umd.edu.